what you have to do is start with the original domain. So for this original domain, we said here that x is between -4 and 6. Well, now the input is no longer x, it's going to be x minus 3. So we're going to replace x with x minus 3. So what happens here is we get a new inequality. It's a compound inequality. And to solve this, we want to add 3. You could solve it simultaneously by adding 3 to the right side, the left side, and the middle. So that's going to give us 9. And then -4 plus 3 will give us -1. So that means the new values that can actually go into the function that has to stay within that domain are going to be all values of x between -1 and 9. Now for the range, you can actually just take the range that is given, which is -5 to +3. And the only two values that affect the range are this 2 and this 7. So this one you can do in two little steps. First, we can multiply that range by 2. So -5 times 2 is -10. And then 3 times 2 is 6. Because now this is just the output. So whatever went in the function doesn't matter anymore because it's going to end up getting multiplied times 2. So you can just multiply the output times 2. And then it has to go up 7, which is equivalent to just adding 7. So -10 plus 7 will be -3. And then we're going to add 7 to the other value. And so if we add 7 to the other value, then we're going to have a 6 plus 7, which is 13. So now y is going to have a new output between -3 and 13. Okay.